guys, Darker Cyclone FPV. We're going to do an RMA session today, so we're going to get started with one that I have on the bench right now. Here it is. And this is actually not what's in the box. What is in here is the JHEMCU, I believe. And this is a flight controller that is being reported as not having anything functioning properly on it, like gyros and so forth. So we're going to check it out and see what's going on, all right? So first things first, well, let's go ahead and see what we're working with. We're going to share our screen here. So we'll plug this into beta flight. Let's see what's going on with that. See if it connects. Come on. There we go. It connects. All right. So we are missing our accelerometer here. Do we have any function at all? So we show nothing here. Let's go and look at our version of the software. So let's type that version. We're running. I wonder if that's right on this one. I'll have to see. I'll have to pull that. But for right now, let me just type defaults and see what we get. All right, let's get this loaded back to the default here. I do notice this green light. No, we should be okay. Let's see it restart here in just a second. Let's connect. Okay. We still are missing our accelerometer. And then let me go down here. Hey, babe, yeah. On this one, can you tell me? Ooh, that sucker's getting a little hot. Okay. Let's pull it up. Can you tell me what was the reason for this again? It was like couldn't find accelerometer and something else was it?
Gyro.
Baby, it's gyro. For the love of God, it's a gyro.
A gyro.
Thank you. All right. So let's do this. All right. Let's see what we got. Just tell me the RMA number, and I'll pull up on the web also so I can read about it. Huh?
I have to find it.
Okay. All right. Let's look. Okay. So already I can see some solder that's dropped incorrectly. That's. Ooh. What is this? There's like some corrosion here, as if this thing got wet or something. I'm not sure what that is, but I'll have to put it under the microscope to see.
I'm trying to find the paper that he sent with it. I don't know what it tossed it up. Yeah, here it is.
Just give me the number.
It doesn't. That's what I'm saying. There's nothing written on the RMA assignment and RMAs.
So you don't find this guy's name in remakes?
No, I find it, but all it says is re.chat conversation with Tarek.
Okay, what's the person's name? Oh, hold on, you can't tell me that.
I can give you the RMA number.
Yeah, that's what I asked for.
5755, but there's no information.
Okay. Why is my keyboard not working? There we go. All right, let's see. The same one? Yeah.
So this is what he left with it.
Here's there. Here's FC. I was having trouble with no gyro, no ACC. Also, new standouts from the order 178. Can you verify those standouts, by the way?
Yeah, he sent them back, and I already bagged the other ones.
Okay, so that's fine. The problem is all right. So that makes sense. So it is the no gyro and no accelerometer. Fine. Problem is the board has some soldering issues and there's some issues here. So let me show you guys what I see. Okay, so let's go here. Yeah, let's do that. Let's get the microscope. Let me show you what I am seeing. Okay. Sorry, 1 second. Let me switch this. I need to get the the computer screen put back properly. So hold on. Let's go back to beta flight, and then we'll open this. And now let's do it this way. There we go. All right. And you got my ugly bug right there. Let's close that off. And why is this not? It's all right. Now you gotta look at me again. Apologize. All right, let's turn this around, and here we go. Okay, so here's what I'm seeing, right? Here's a board. Start here. First thing I see is right here, I think. Nope, maybe not here. Hold on. Let me put my glasses on. There it is, right here. This is a problem. Right here. See this? This is extra solder that's fallen out. Shouldn't be on there like that. Didn't come from the factory that way. This is a concern. Okay. Secondary is this here. What is this stuff?
Is the brick ready to go?
Yes. This right here. Okay. Make sure that you disconnect the battery plug from the battery before you ship it. Like just
This thing right here?
yeah, but yeah, okay, yeah, just like that.
I didn't know if that was
Yeah.
or not.
All right. So this looks like, I mean, this looks like there's been some water or some moisture here. Not really sure what this is. It's not normal to see. I mean, that's just, I don't know what that is, a green nastiness, but it is definitely not part of the original board. We do have a heating issue on here as well. So, I just wanted to see what else we have. Let's turn this over. Not really seeing anything else. Those two things are a concern of mine. And let's keep going. Okay. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to go ahead and get our soldering iron turned on. Try to clean some of this up. Okay, get our flux head ready. Hey, babe.
Yeah.
You remember I needed a toothbrush? Do you have a toothbrush? Like a new one I can use, or something that, I don't care if it's used.
Do upstairs. I can grab it.
I can go get it. Just tell me where it is.
Oh, no, it's, I think it's in Ashton's, like under Ashton's bathroom cabinet. But I'm gonna go up there in just a second.
Oh, okay.
I gotta
Alright.
get something anyways.
Okay, well, what I'm going to do first is try to fix this portion of the board. So here's what we got. So what we're going to do, get our soldering iron. It is wrapped around a whole bunch of wires right now. Let's get this, put it down. All right. First thing I want to do is I want to get this piece of solder off. There we go. I'm going to clean the solder off the board.
Go upstairs, grab that.
Thanks, babe. It's instantly hot. I mean, this thing is shorted. It's all right here. I mean, this is smoking hot. God darn it, burns. Okay, so let's connect the beta flag again real quick. I don't think that that's been fixed. Hold on. I'm gonna have to figure something out here because this is still bridged. I'm hoping we can get it off of that, but it's got bridge solder. See, if we look at this.
There you are.
Thanks, Mama. See that right there?
Oh, hi.
This right here. This is a problem. I'm gonna try to remove it.
Here you go.
Thanks, babe. Appreciate you. Let me see if that helps. Ah, you see? Look at that. We got his accelerometer back and everything's working again. He had a bridge shorted. Man. All right. Look at that, babe.
Nice job, babe.
Whoop, whoop. Okay, well, guys, that's problem solved. So what we're going to do now is we're going to just clean the board up. Here's how we're going to do that. You see, this is a very important lesson. Okay, it may not look like you caused damage, but you did. And so you guys have to be prepared for stuff like that because I'm telling you, these things don't just regularly fail, you know, just out of the box. There's usually some. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put some alcohol on here, rubbing alcohol. I'm going to take a toothbrush. I'm going to just scrape all the crud off of this board. Okay, just to get all the debris off. All right, now we'll get a paper towel. Just a regular towel, I guess. We will wipe this sucker down. Clean it up. Excellent. All right. Okay, get our toothbrush off of here. Clean our table, and let's plug this back in. And now I can hold the board and look at what we have going on here, guys. This is perfect. This is what we want to see. Let it all settle. This is great. Love it. Need it to dry though. Okay, so let's get it to dry. Usually have a can of air here, but I don't know where it is, so. Perfect. And that is what I'm talking about. We got our movement going. Everything's perfect. Very happy with this. We have no heat now. It's not overheating at all. Great, problem solved. So there you go. Just guys, another thing to show you guys is, I promise you, if you'll get a microscope, let me show you something here. Let me open our, hold on, let me open our website. Okay, let's go here. And let's do this. I will encourage you guys to please look into getting these things because it'll save you on all the work that you ask us to do, and really it's probably something you could just find. Go to Tools and Gear, go to Magnifying and Lighting. Okay, now what I use today is one pretty much similar like this. Just grab them and use them. And these are the glasses I wear. And look, you get any of these, man, and you just put that stuff under there, and you can see all the components you need to see. It's pretty much a piece of cake, okay? And then it plugs into the computer, and then you can see it on the computer screen. So please, start getting into stuff like that, guys. It will help you. Anyways, board's good now. You had a bridge on there from a dropped piece of solder. Just be careful. That's it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Go catch us up on the website. And as always, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. I would greatly appreciate it, all right? Your support is always appreciated. God bless, be safe, and spend time with your family, guys. Never know how much time you have left, so please make the most of it. You can always fly later. We will talk to you soon. Peace. Bye.